Imagine living in a luxury villa surrounded by picturesque landscapes. Join us as we explore this stunning property in Algorfa. Your dream home awaits. Living in Algorfa means enjoying the best of both worlds. Peaceful countryside living with easy access to top-notch amenities. The villa is located near a world-class golf course, perfect for golf lovers. You will also find charming local shops, excellent dining options, and a variety of attractions just a short drive away. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we invite you for a tour of a luxury villa here in the beautiful Algorfa. This is a very unique villa where the comfort meets with the luxury. Let's check it together. First, let's admire the villa's exterior. The contemporary design, complemented by lush gardens and the grand entrance, makes a stunning first impression. This is a home that truly stands out. As we step inside, we are greeted by a spacious and beautifully designed living area. The open-plan layout features high ceilings and large windows that fill the space with natural light. The living room seamlessly connects to the dining area and the modern, fully equipped kitchen. It's perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying cozy family moments. Next, let's explore the bedrooms. The master suite is a luxurious retreat, complete with a private terrace offering stunning views, a lavish ensuite bathroom, and ample closet space. Guest bedrooms are equally elegant, providing comfort and privacy for your visitors. The bathrooms are modern and stylish, featuring high-quality fixtures and finishes. And now let's step outside. The villa boasts an expansive terrace, perfect for alfresco dining or simply relaxing while taking in a breathtaking views. The private pool area is an oasis of tranquility, ideal for refreshing swim or lounging under the sun. Thank you to join us to this tour. If you think that this villa should be your next home, just contact Costalux Exclusive Homes for more details and set up your private appointment. If you like this video, push the like, subscribe, and hit the ring button for more content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye! And here, an incredible bonus for our viewers. When you purchase this stunning villa, you will receive a €2,500 coupon to a premier furniture shop. This means you can furnish your new home with the latest designs and styles, making it truly your own. It's an amazing offer that adds even more value to this beautiful property.